Wow, can Teuna Classic LUNC reach $1? That is recent conclusion on Teuna Classic to $1. Generating this from different platforms, from different crypto experts who are well known in terms of trading, in terms of predicting different crypto coins, from BNB to Solana to Dogecoin to Bitcoin. Now, based on the average of those who believe that Luna will reach $1 and those who don't believe can never, the conclusion is that Teuna Classic cannot reach $1. They said never, it cannot reach $1. In fact, so I given Teuna Classic prediction until 2030, Luna to trade with about 2.0. Luna is currently trading with about 4.0, but the topmost prediction are still giving Teuna Classic to delete just only 2 zeros in 7 years. Okay, 2 zeros in 7 years is about 1,500% or 2,000% right from now. So I was like, well, we believe Teuna Classic can even reach 1 cent by next year. That is the belief of so many Teuna Classic holders. And for me, when I saw this prediction coming up from so many crypto experts and predictors predicting Luna to reach 0.001 in 2030, I was like, well, it is still okay, because it's more of like telling somebody to keep or save $100, that in the next 7 years he or she will be getting $1,000 or he or she will be getting $10,000. It should be more than that, almost $1,500 to $10,000 if it hits about 10,000%. Okay, because they said deleting 1 or 2 zeros. 1 zero is about $1,000 and 2 zeros is about $10,000. If you tell me to keep my money in the next 7 years, I'll be getting about 10,000% of it. Definitely, I want to keep everything that I have if it is possible. I'm very sure it's going to happen. That is the truth. Everybody want to do that. Okay, so it's really good that Teuna Classic prediction is sounding good, though it's not something that was going to happen this year, next year. So it simply means for those that will be having patience. If you can have patience for a very long period of time, maybe you might be lucky to see that in 7 years, Teuna Classic might be returning huge profit for you. $10 will be giving you about $100 or $1,000 in the next 7 years. If it's 10,000%, $100 will give you about $10,000. So it's still a good prediction for me, but let's hope that Luna can pump and rise to the extent that Teuna Classic don't need to reach such longer period. But the prediction based on long period is based on the current situation of Teuna Classic, current burning, market volume, market cap, popularity, and all these things. These are the things they check before they give out predictions. Anyway, it is, I still believe that the future is good for Teuna Classic LUNC. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.